Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a poll on the YouTube mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to create a poll, you need to have access to the Community tab. You cannot access the Community tab until your channel has reached 500 subscribers. From the home page of the YouTube app, tap on your user icon in the top right corner. Choose your channel from the options that appear. At the top of your channel, you need to hold down on and slide the top menu bar from right to left until you see the Community tab. Then tap Community. At the top of the Community page, tap on the text box to make a post. Write the question that you would like to ask in your poll. Then tap on the poll icon in the bottom left corner of the text box. You now have two poll options. You can do a text-based or image-based poll. To do a text-based poll, select Text. You can now add your poll answer options. You can add more options by tapping Add Another option at the bottom. At the top, you can choose whether your poll will be public or for members only. You can schedule your poll to post at a later date by tapping the clock icon. And if you tap the timer icon, you can set your poll to expire after 24 hours. Once you are finished editing, you can tap Post in the top right corner to post your poll. The poll will be posted to your Community page. To post an image-based poll, type your poll question and then tap the poll icon in the bottom left. Then tap Image. Choose your image options. You can add a caption if you like. You can add extra image options at the bottom. Again, you can choose to make it visible to members only, set it to post at a different time, or set a 24-hour expiration at the top. Tap Post to post your poll. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.